Hey, beautiful souls, welcome back to Smaran. It's been some time, and in the spaces between the busy moments, I learned something surprisingly simple. No matter how loud the world gets or how far we drift, peace is always just one breath away. Let's explore that together today. In a world that never stops moving, sometimes we forget to breathe. Easy to get lost in it all and lose ourselves. But even in the chaos, there's always one thing within reach: your breath. Mindfulness isn't about escaping life, it's about showing up for it, one breath at a time. You can't control everything around you, but you can always come home to yourself. One breath can change everything.